Okay, dear friends, I'm back with another machine on the Hackthebox, which is Heist. I've already spawned the machine earlier. This is the IP address. As always, I'd like to use the POM box, which is online payload OS, to do this preparation. Before we begin today's video, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. This will help me very much. In this episode, I'd like to showcase a variety of techniques. For example, like how to transfer files from the Windows. If the target is Windows machine, it will be a bit more difficult to transfer file compared to Linux machine, as you know, and also how to use the ProcDump. As you can see, this tool to dump the history or data, the dumps data from the target, and then how to analyze that dump data. Okay, so enough said. Let's just get started. As you can see, I've already done the map scanning with your options like scene scan, version scan, the default script scan, and also the comprehensive scan. So from the map scanning results, as you can see here, the several open ports, like the first one is 80, which is running HTTP, and the version is IIS, but I think the version itself doesn't have any vulnerability. And the next two are used by the, I think, Samba surface. So later we can manually check on this surface. And the next one is 5985. It's used by the remote management service. Of course, this is a very important service. Later we can utilize this service to get the access to the target. And last one is for the RPC, or inter-process communication. Okay, so I think now what we are going to do next is to do more immersion. For example, maybe I can close down the history tabs of the browser. Let's open up the fresh browser and make it bigger so you can see what's going on exactly. And now we can put the IP address of the target. Press enter. I think we are prompted by the user login page, and we can try like admin and admin. Press login, but we need to supply the email address. So of course also we can try like login bypass techniques, but failed. And also you can try, when I did the machine the first time, I tried to intercept the request by Burp Suite and then use the SQL map to test whether the target has SQL injection vulnerability. But I cannot find such vulnerability at all. To save time, I'd like to quit or pass this section. Okay, so what can we do now? Maybe we can do the furthermore immersion for the web application, for example, like a queue, and to see whether this site has robots file, right? Let's press enter, but not found. Next, we can use the Ligto. Ligto can reveal rich abundant information about the web application. For example, like vulnerabilities, like misconfigurations, or some common files or directories. Although its word list is a bit small. So, but in this case, we cannot get any such interesting information. So I'd like to login. We have already know that login.php page. Okay. So next, maybe we need to do the directory immersion, right? And the word list, I'd like to use the dearbuster directory medium, and the option, of course, we know the target is running by or powered by the PHP. So we can put like HTML, TXT, back, something like that. Let's press enter to see which kind of directories or files we can get. But I can tell you, yeah, like login, we have already know that, issues, PHP. Yeah, so we can go back to our support login. You know, we can log in as a request. Yeah, no authentication required. And also here, yeah, we got the attachment. And from the issues page, we can know the some username information like admin. Maybe we can generate the word list, right? For example, like hazard, possible. This is one of the possible username and the admin. And also, yeah, we can click the attachment. Of course, I think if you're familiar with the Cisco network device, you know this is some sort of the configuration. And here, as you can see, we got some username and passwords. And the username like this one, we can put into the user dictionary, right? And another one, yeah, I think the 3 possible usernames. And also here, got some encrypted password. The first one is the type is a file. Maybe we can make a copy and try to use the John the Ripper to crack. Yeah, I'd like to quit from the directory enumeration because we cannot get more interesting information. Now we can echo. Secret hash. All right. Then we can use the John the Ripper word list. I'd like to use the log queue as our word list to crack this hash. Yeah, because I've already done that earlier, so it will not go through the process again. So I just use the show option John show secret. Yeah, as you can see, we got the first password, and we can make a copy and go to our notebook. Yeah, and also, yeah, if we go back to our configuration file of Cisco, yeah, device, yeah, this is the, I think this should be router, and this is the type 7, and we can make a copy. Of course, we have the website. As you can see over here, this website can help us to decrypt the password. For example, we can put here and submit. Yeah, we got the second password, and we can copy this password and note it down to our notebook. So this is the second password, and the next one should be this one. This is also type 7, and we can make a copy and put in here. Yeah, we got the third password. Let's go back, and we can copy to our notebook, and then we can put in here. So I think so far we have already generated our own passwords list or dictionary, and we can save to our own machine, to our working directory, and we can name it to, for example, like a password dictionary, right? Dict. Yeah, save. And also, you know, we got the username word list, and we can also save this to our working directory. User dict. Save. All right. Okay. So now we So what can we do now? You know, we have already got, we can list the files. Sorry about that. Yeah, if you list the files on our working directory, yeah, we have already generated the list of the user names and also the password list. So now I think we you know, now as you can see, although from the Nmap scanning results, we have already know that the target is running Samba, so we can use the Samba client to enumerate information about the, sorry about that. But we cannot get any information. Yeah. So I think it's time we use some sort of the CrackMap. Yeah, this too. The CrackMapExec. So this one can help us to crack the password for the Samba surface. All right, we can crack map. We just press enter to get the help by this utility, and we can, what we are interested in is the Samba surface, and then we can use the help. And now what can we do now? Yeah, the username dictionary and the password dictionary. So we can use, and we can put the IP address of the target. Then is username dictionaries and the password dictionary. Let's press enter. Yeah, we got the I think this one is support desk and hazard. So maybe we can, of course, now from the Nmap scanning results, we can know that, we can cut the Nmap scanning. The target is running remote management service. So now we can use the eval. Specify the username is hazard, right? The password is this one. So we can make a copy from here, from my notebook, to see whether this is working. To log in, but failed, I can tell you. So I'd like to, we cannot make a successful login to the remote management service. All right. So what can we do now? I think now we need to use another tool. So we call it, we need to use the another impacted tool, which is lookup, because now we have to know that the RPC is running on the target. For example, we can RPC client and connect to the target, but we cannot get any such information. So maybe we need to specify the username and password just we have already got, right? RPC client help. We need to fully utilize the help information provided by the command or utility itself. All right, we can RPC. We can use the U, the uppercase U, to specify the username and the password. The username is hazard, and hazard, and the password. We need to copy the password. And the target IP address. Let's press enter. Why we need to provide the password again? Weird. PC. Oh, sorry, I used the wrong symbol, not at. I must use the %. So I can. Let's press enter. Yeah, RPC client, we have already logged in to the RPC service. Of course, if we use Google search engine and we get the RPC client commands, you know, we can, for example, like RPC client commands. For example, we can look up names. So we can look up names and the hazard. As you can see, we have already got the SID. Of course, I think the penetration distribution has another very important tool or utility which you can do this with a faster and efficient way. The tool is in-packet. You know, in-packet is package which contains a lot of different tools. For example, we can locate, look up. So which one? Look up is look up SID, right? PY. Yeah, as you can see, we can use this one to enumerate the SUID information of the target. We just hit enter to see which kind of arguments we need to specify. For example, here we can just target IP address, the port number, so the username, hazard, and password. Oh, we need to use the comma, and the password should be this one, right? And then at an IP address. Let's press enter. Yeah, we got other usernames. As you can see, like a JSON, like a chess, and support. Of course, now we can modify our user list dictionary. So we can put like a JSON chess and use the password dictionary to check one by one to see which one can work to log in to the target. Of course, to save time, I'd like to go to the direct or the correct one. So yeah, the name should be, username should be Chase, and the password should be this one. Of course, you need to spend some time to manually check on that. And we can use eval wim and IP address. Yeah, if the target is Windows machine, you need to grasp this utility very much. And the username is chess, and the password is this one. All right, let's press enter. Yeah, as you can see, we have already logged in to the target. Excellent. And now we can get the user flag. I think no problem. The user flag should be under the desktop directory, dir. And now we can get type the user flag. And also there is another file, of course, we need to type to. Stuff to do, keep checking the issues list and fix the router config, restrict access for guest user. From this point we can know, stuff to do. Maybe the administrator, use the like a Firefox browser to log in to the panel, and the Firefox will have the history which contains password information. So for example, we can get the process information about on the target process. As you can see, the target is running Firefox. So now we need to dump data of this process of Firefox. The tool I'd like to use is the ProcDump. To be honest, this is the first time I use this utility, but this one is so wonderful. Now we can, of course, now we need to upload this one to the target first and then run it. And of course, now we can go to the root directory and make dir the temp, and go to the temp, because here we can upload our utility or tools or any other files. We can open another tab. I've already downloaded this utility or tool from the Microsoft website. And now how to do it? We have already got the evil WinRM session. To upload will be very easy. But to be honest, to download the file from the target to the local machine, you will encounter problem. And I have already spent a lot of time to fix that issue, but not successful. But here we just upload the file. The file would be proc. All right, let's hit enter. And then we can run this ProcDump utility. And of course, we can specify the option of MA, write a full dump file. Okay, and so how can we do it? We can run ProcDump exe and the option MA full dump, and we can write to Firefox DMP. Of course, sorry, I need to know the process ID of the Firefox. Should be this one, the 3952, right? $3952. Let's press enter. I need to accept EULA. Accept EULA. We just put this option. And we can dir. Very big one. So I think now we need to dump or need to transfer this file to our own machine. And if the target is Linux, we have different ways to do this. And I'm very familiar with that. But if the target is a Windows machine, we need to use different way. For example, one way which can work is we can upload the netcat to the target and use the netcat to download this file. But in this video, I'd like to showcase another technique. We can go to open another tab. The one is locate SMB server, MB server py. We can SMB server. So we got the help. So now we can run server, and we can specify the username username as like Bob, anything, password, and Bob2, and then we can share name. We just use share as our name for this share, and share path is current working directory. Let's press enter. Sorry, permission denied. Because we are not a root user, but we just put the sudo in the front of this command. Yeah, as you can see, have already set up this Samba server, and now we can, yeah, of course, now first we need to mount this share, and the way to do it, net use, and so of course I need to get the help from the, maybe, yeah, you know, this is a bit complicated, so we can use this one to mount our local mount our share from our own machine to the target. And the X, oh sorry, I need to put the space between this one. You know, the X is some sort of the driver name, and let's press enter. Okay, so maybe I need to SMB2 because SMB1 is not secure. Sorry about that. I need to quit. You know, as a pen tester, we always encounter different problems, but I think this can be fixed very easily. You know, I think you can get the help about this SMP2 support. We can copy and put in here. I think this time this should be, oh sorry, we also needed to use the sudo. No problem. And now, yeah, we can run this command again. Yeah, no error. Now we need to copy the file. Yeah, this one is the command. To save time, I'd like to, of course, you need to use the Google search engine to how to use the evo to copy file from the target to our own machine. Let's press enter. You know, the file is a bit big. Yeah, the files has already been copied. Then we can go back to, oh, maybe we can open another tab. All right. And then as you can see, yeah, we have already got this one, a very big one. And of course we can use the strings. And you know, if we go back to our browser and login PHP, and if we open the inspect tool and go to the here, as you can see, the parameter should be login password. So we just look for this one. So how to do it? We can use the strings and the Firefox, and we just grep or filter the login password. Is my, yeah, I think it's correct. Yeah, as you can see, we have already got some, yeah, the username and the password. So of course, this one may be reused by the administrator, so we can make a copy and log in through the remote management service. All right, evo win, and And the username is administrator. And the password, we can use the single quote to include all special character. Alright, as you can see, we have already logged into the target by or with the username administrator. And now we can get the user flag, no problem, right? dir. Then we can tap the root flag. Okay, so that's all I'd like to demonstrate and showcase the various techniques about Windows machine. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.